a researcher faces the task of calculating the mean height of male students in an undergrad class. The mean height of a sample of male students is computed as 176 centimeter with a standard deviation of 7 centimeters. The researcher now needs to calculate the confidence interval for the mean height of the male students in the undergrad class. Which additional data is needed for the calculation? So here we need to calculate the confidence interval. Here there was this doubt whether option D or E. So why option D? Because first we'll go with it. Here the researcher needs to calculate the confidence interval. Okay. So confidence interval, it is mean height plus minus 1.96 times SE. That is the formula for confidence interval. SE is the standard error of the mean. It is calculated by dividing the standard deviation by the square root of the sample size. Okay, however, the sample size was not provided, so that is what we needed. The total sample size of the study is what we need. Okay, now why not option D? Because the total number of non-participants in the sample is relevant but not necessary, as long as it is ensured that the sample is representative of the population as a whole. Okay, so here it is told to us that sample size is just the sample of the male heights. Okay, so we will go with the sample size rather than the clear-cut, more descriptive term.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.